This video is presented to you by AED Market, and in today's video, we will guide you through the process of changing the pads and battery in the Philips OnSite AED. To be ready for emergencies, it's important to keep the electrodes connected to the unit at all times. The pads have a 2-year expiration date visible on the outside towards the bottom through the clear cartridge window. You should change the pads at their expiration or after AED usage. To begin, remove the AED from the case. To install or replace the electro pads, find the tab on the top of the AED, slide it, and the cartridge will pop out. Insert the new pads until you hear a click. When changing pads, be sure not to pull the lever labeled "pull", as it can allow air into the pads, requiring replacement. The battery has a 4-year expiration from the date of installation indicated on the outside. To replace the battery, if in a case, take the AED out, turn it over, and remove the battery. Insert the new battery until you hear it click. Be aware that a self-test will follow, following the on-screen instructions. After changing the pads and battery, confirm that the ready indicator is flashing green, indicating that the AED is ready for rescue. If you have any questions or would like to discuss purchasing options, you can reach us at 1-800-441-8378 or visit us at www.aedmarket.com.